everyone. I am Jalen Rose Arzapanta, and today I'll be talking with a professional to learn more about how technical writing plays a role in her career. The goal of this activity is to understand the role of technical writing in various professions. By speaking with a professional, we'll gain insight into how technical writing supports their daily responsibilities, the skills they rely on, and the challenges they face. Today, I'm joined by Maria Nica A. Alilio, who works in the field of technical support. She has 9 years of experience and currently serves as a service technical support analyst. I choose Miss Alilio because her role involves frequent documentation, troubleshooting, and communication with both clients and internal teams, making her perspective on technical writing especially valuable. My first question: what is your experience in writing technical papers?
As a service technical support analyst, my experience in technical writing develops in very practical hands-on ways rather than in academic style papers. My experience often comes from documenting solutions, procedures, and user-facing content.
What are your strengths in writing technical papers?
As a service technical support analyst, I do hands-on technical knowledge by troubleshooting real issues daily. I also made sure to use simple and clear terms for the users to understand. I also use structured problem-solving approach and I give attention to details. I also practice continuous improvement mindset.
What are your weaknesses in writing technical papers?
As a service technical support analyst, I sometimes overuse technical jargon. I also tend to prioritize accuracy and speed over readability and flow. And sometimes there are typos, unclear instructions, or missing steps.
And lastly, what is the value of technical writing in your profession?
As a service technical support analyst, technical writing is a powerful skill that adds a lot of value. It benefits both me and my organization by having clear communication with the users, consistency across support, being efficient and being productive. It also helps me to be professional and it gives credibility to my work. And most importantly, it helps me with my career growth. In short, technical writing helps me document solutions, reduce repeat actions, enable self-service support, standardize team processes, and showcase my communication skills, making me more efficient and valuable as a service technical support analyst.
To summarize the key insights from today's interview, I learned that technical writing plays a vital role in the daily responsibilities of a service technical support analyst. It supports clear communication, accurate calculations, and contributes to both personal efficiency and organizational productivity. Most importantly, it adds credibility to the work being done. This interview showed that technical writing isn't just about giving information, it's about making sure people can understand it and use it easily. Before we end, I'd like to sincerely thank Ms. Maria Nica A. Alilio for sharing her time, experience, and valuable insights with us. I'd also like to thank our professor, Ma'am Pia Esperida, and everyone watching for taking the time to join me in this learning experience.